What's the one thing that connects snow winter sports lovers and the Olympic Games? That's right, snowboarding. If you've ever tried it, you know it's not as effortless as it looks, and neither is the board beneath your feet, because there's way more to a snowboard than meets the eye. It all starts with materials. We use lightweight wood cores, layers of fiberglass or carbon fiber, durable steel edges, and vibration-dampening rubber, each carefully chosen for strength, flexibility, and control. The core is the soul of the snowboard. We use poplar, bamboo, or paulownia, milled precisely using CNC machines to ensure consistency in flex and response. CNC machining helps us create complex side cuts, perfect camber rocker profiles, and uniform thickness across every board. It's how we make every ride feel identical and intentional. Consistency is key, and CNC delivers it with every cut. To reinforce the structure, we add stainless steel edges, high-impact sidewalls, and dampening rubber strips that absorb chatter on rough terrain. Aluminum inserts are embedded into the core to anchor your bindings securely. These must withstand everything from big mountain lines to park landings. Core construction and shaping. We laminate fiberglass, carbon, and top sheets over the shaped core, then press them together under intense heat and pressure. The epoxy resin bonds every layer into one responsive, high-performance board. After pressing, we trim excess resin, cut the board's final outline, and grind the steel edges smooth. Then it's hand-sanded, cleaned, and finished, complete with graphics, clear coats, or sublimated prints that reflect your brand. Every board is checked for camber height, flex zone consistency, and weight tolerance. We even test insert alignment to make sure your bindings fit flush, no guesswork. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.